We can proceed. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, fellow Kenyans, good afternoon. In fidelity with the dictates of our Constitution, I have this morning chaired the inaugural meeting of the Assumption of the Office of the President Committee. The committee is established pursuant to the Assumption of the Office of the President Act, that is Act number 21 of year 2012, and in furtherance of Article 141 of our Constitution. The committee's core mandate is to facilitate a smooth transition from the current administration to the incoming administration. Substantively, the mandate of the committee will be triggered once the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission formally announces the results of the 9th August 2022 presidential election and declares a president-elect. In accordance with the primary act of Parliament, the functions of the Assumption of the Office of the President Committee are to 1. Facilitate handing over the process of the outgoing president to the president-elect. 2. Organize for the security of the president-elect. 3. Organize for the necessary facilities and personnel for the president-elect. 4. Coordinate the briefings of the president-elect by relevant public officers. 5. Facilitate communication between the outgoing president and the president-elect. And last but not least, prepare the program and organize for the swearing-in ceremony. Finally, I wish to inform you we will be making periodic briefings to the nation as the transition process kicks off. I thank you all. May God bless you and our beloved nation, Kenya. Thank you very much.